Poor kid. Must be terrified. Then he's going home walking into a buzzsaw.
I need to get some sleep. You too.
Not me. That's where the ghosts are.
Sleep.
Tell me something. Why is it so hard for you to kill this man?
You know how much I hate Big Hammock Park, Pop?
What?
Ever since I was about 12 years old, we would shoot turkeys there for my birthday. And I always hated it. But I was an orphan, right? So how would we even know when my birthday was? But you never seem to notice, so we just keep going.
Okay, so next year we'll try Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah. You, me, and the lab guys who made me. Yeah.
I always believed you'd be happier not knowing.
Happy. You know when I'm happy, Pop? When I'm flat on my belly, about to squeeze a trigger. It's the only time I'm happy. And this wasn't even a mistake. It's not like you got someone pregnant and then had to man up and raise me. No, you made a decision to have a scientist make a person out of another person.
No, that's not what it was.
That's exactly what it was. Then you sent me to kill him. Of all the shooters in the world, why would you send me?
He's your darkness. You had to walk through this on your own.
Maybe you're my darkness. That lie you told me, that my parents dumped me at a fire station. And I believe that. Do you know how that made me feel?
It was a necessary lie.
None of this shit is necessary. You made a choice to do this to me. Can't you see how not okay I am?
Bullshit! You forget who you're talking to, Junior. I've seen battle. I've seen soldiers go over the edge because more was being asked of them than they could give. That's not you. Your world is stable and dependable. I made sure of that. You have something that Henry himself never had. You have a loving, dedicated, present Father who tells you every goddamn day that you are precious and that you matter. Jesus, the whole point of this thing was to give you all of Henry's gifts without his pain, and I did. Don't doubt, Junior. You're better than that. Come here. I love you, son. Just don't let yourself down.
so many of my encounters were short but sweet. Thanks, baby. There should be a truck here somewhere.
Don't move.
What was in that?
Bee venom.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that. He's allergic.
Henry, can you breathe? Henry, try to breathe. You okay?
Please.
Henry. Henry, can you breathe?
Please.
Try to breathe. Henry! Henry! Breathe!
Why are you doing this?
Come on.
Why are
Henry.
you doing this?
Henry, breathe. Come on. Breathe, Henry.
Epinephrine antihistamine. You'll be fine. I'm sorry. I had to be sure.
No, it's all good. This whole shit's been a little difficult.
I hate to break up the party, but how the hell do you always know where we are?
They're tracking you. Do you trust me? They chipped you during your surgery 3 years ago.
Varys.
You know him too.
Panama, Kuwait, Somalia. Can you take us to him?
We need to shut him down. Both of us.